was built to last with the limbs and the weaving. I could change the past, I'm all achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. And they break like glass, life's coming.
All right. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kevin on Escape with Kevin. So today we do a quick day trip. We went to see the dentist. We went for an early dinner and we walked around. There's a KFC over here, China Mobile, street food almost every corner. So no excuses. You won't get hungry.
Want be French fries, huh?
As we make our way across the street, not yet, we're still walking. Amazing food everywhere. There's dim sum. You gotta keep your eyes open for stuff you know you don't need, but it's good to know you just saw it, so when you need it,
or you want to walk
you
to
know
there
it.
to see what's there?
And we're about to cross the street. Today for dinner we're having barbecue, so it's the first time we had it. We haven't had it again yet, but we will definitely go back. I mean, the skewers are unreal. And again, prices they make more sense over here. Not being cheap or anything, it just makes more sense. And the quality next level.
Bowl space.
We
What's
love
there?
exploring new food. And we're just at the tip of it. So yeah, so this is the way we enter the mall. And enjoy the video because it's not a long one, but it's 11 minutes worth, so enjoy. And again, thank you for stopping by.
Only restaurant, no? Walk straight, no? Okay, go, hello?
And then you'll need to start something. We don't know how to start it.
Joe.
There's barbecue, white jade skewer, signature, and then
Huh? What's salty?
fried rice,
What's salty?
fried rice.
It's too much. But someone will run by and just pick it and do it.
How's it? Good?
How's it, Kira?
You understand? Not using this?
Yeah. Open it all. It's the first time, right?
Spicy, baby. Oh, no more not spicy. Let me try this. You make this one and not spicy.
No, that's spicy. The one with the onion is also not spicy. That's spicy.
This one. I want this one. I want it.
There's some fried rice coming for you guys.
Look at this one.
Let me put it inside.
Fuzzy one.
Hello. Our first place was the dentist. Kaylee got her tooth removed, and she's gonna share with you her experience. Okay.
Before the dentist took my teeth, I was nervous. And then when they took out the teeth, it didn't hurt. And I was scared too.
What? Kira. Kira.
Daddy,
Kira.
she has a sesame on her head.
Poo-poo.
Oh, you didn't finish the noodles. Oh yeah? 68.40. How much the fried rice?
There's only 2 add-on items, right? Who's whining? What?
So you have to record.
So you video your father. Why are you holding it like a pipette?
I don't know what to do. So weird. Oh my god. So where is going?
You see?
How do I see and walk?
You have to look at it.
I have to watch where I'm going, right?